Rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another episode of Ramadan Reflection. I'm Kashif Shahzada. Some people have been pressing me since the last couple of days concerning a question that has arisen in their minds after viewing some talks by a preacher. The preacher believes that, and he promotes this belief of his, he says that there is only one book of Allah, there is only one Kitab. He refers to some verses of the Quran in which the word Kitab has occurred in the singular form. And based on those verses, he says, he makes the claim that just like Allah is one, just like God is one, the book of Allah, the book of God is also one. This statement is not a true statement. It is an incorrect statement because when we see in the Quran, we will discover that this is not the case. Allah is one. He is WAHED. He is Ahad in the Quran. When the Quran says believe in Allah, then it is not just because of the grammatical singularity of the word, the grammatical construction of the word that we discover that Allah is one. Rather, we have a plain statement, a simple, unequivocal statement in the Quran which says that Allah is one. And the words Wahid and Ahad are used for that. There are numerous such statements in the Quran. For example, in Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 163, I read, Wa ilahukum ilahun wahid, and your God is one God. La ilaha illa huwa ar-Rahmanur Rahim. There is no God but He, most gracious, most merciful. Al-Baqarah 2, chapter number 2, verse 163. Here it says, Ilahukum wa ilahukum ilahun wahid. Your God is one God. The word wahid has been used. But throughout the Quran, you will never find a statement that your book is one book. There is no such statement in the Quran which says Kitab is Wahid. The word Kitab, which means book, and the word Wahid, which means one, have not occurred even in the same sentence anywhere in the Quran. We read in the Quran, Qul huwallahu ahad, in Surah Al-Ikhlas, chapter number 112. Qul huwallahu ahad. Say, Allah is one and only. Do we find in the Quran the book is Ahad? The book is one and only? The answer is no. You never find any such statement in the Quran. Therefore, the claim that just like Allah is one, His book is also one, is a false claim. It is a false statement. It is a statement which has no Quranic basis at all. Allah is one. There is the oneness of Allah in the Quran, but the book is not one. The book has a plurality. We read in Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 285, Amana Rasulu bima unzila ilayhi min rabbihi wal mu'minun kullun amana billahi wal malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rusuli. It says that all of them believe in Allah and His angels and His books. Kutubihi, the word Kutubihi has been used in Baqarah 2 verse 285. So the book has a plurality. Allah does not have a plurality. The Quran affirms that Allah is one. The Quran denies that Allah does not have a plural. The Quran does not affirm that the book is one. The Quran says clearly, it affirms that the book has a plurality. by using the word kutub. Therefore, the belief that just like Allah is one, His book is also one, is a false belief. It is a wrong statement. It is a claim which has no Quranic basis at all. I hope this answers the brother's query. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.